In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from Expedia. Getting a clear, printable receipt for your booking is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening your web browser and going straight to Expedia.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar and have your booking details handy, like your confirmation number and travel dates, just in case you need to verify anything. Next, look to the top right of the homepage for the Trips option. Click Trips. This is the hub for everything you've booked with your account. If you're asked to sign in, use the same account you used when you made the reservation, so all your bookings appear correctly. Once you're in, you'll see your travel plans grouped together, which makes it easy to find the specific reservation you need. Inside Trips, click Booked. This view shows active confirmed reservations that are ready to manage, including flights that are upcoming or currently in progress. It's the quickest way to get to the items most likely to need a receipt right now. If you have several bookings, you can scan the list by destination or date to zero in on the right one. Now select the flight you want the receipt for. Click to open its details page and then look for the option labeled Get a Receipt. Click that. Expedia will generate an official receipt for the booking, typically showing the traveller name, itinerary, fare, taxes and fees, the total amount charged, and the confirmation number. Depending on your browser, the receipt may open in a new tab as a printable page or a PDF. From there, you can print it or save it to your computer for your records. If the Get a Receipt button looks slightly different, such as View Receipt or Receipt, it serves the same purpose. If you booked multiple flights in the same itinerary, make sure you've opened the correct segment before grabbing the receipt so the details match what you need. It's also a good idea to check that the currency, dates, and traveller names are accurate, especially if you're submitting the document for reimbursement. For tax or expense reporting, keep the confirmation number visible on the receipt, and note that a receipt from Expedia reflects what you paid through Expedia, which can differ from an airline's invoice format. If you used rewards or credits, the receipt will typically note that as well. And that's it. By going to Expedia.com, opening Trips, choosing Booked, and selecting your flight to get a receipt, you'll have the document you need in just a few clicks.